Can you ask Vanessa if she got a 10-year award also? Yes, she did. If Vanessa got a 10-year award also at the Healthy Boot Camp. Text me.
Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Court now progress.
Jim Wells County Commissioners Court for today, February 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. Now in session. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Public
Good
testimony.
morning, Judge, Commissioners.
Good morning, Sheriff.
Good morning. I just want to let you know that we have approximately, we don't have approximately, we have a total of 6 females in Zapata County, as well as 11 males in Zapata County. We have 2 in B County, and we received a bill that was being sent to the wrong email address of $32,000 for the inmates that we had in Bville as of October, I believe. That's what the numbers are showing. We have a total of 87 inmates. We can only house 80. I also want to inform you there have been some concerns about animals at large. Meeting with the Animal Control Department this morning. They're still having a lot of issues regarding dogs at large. We are looking to see if we can hire another animal control officer. The other one has resigned. We also have information from the city where 75 to 100 animals are put to sleep weekly. So that is a big concern to everyone that animals are roaming in our community, but we're doing everything we can to assist. I want to also inform you that we have received our Sky Tower for the amount of $56,300 that was purchased through the Lone Star grant, but we received $330,000. We're also going to be paying for some radios for the Orange Grove area, Sandia, Bembo, and Fremont, with some of the monies that were left over. We also have a cattle program, our annual cattle program that will be taking place on the 28th of February. We're almost reaching our 500 number of people that have been registered with our county. As I mentioned before, our program has been recognized all the way from the Panhandle to the Dallas area and down to the Valley. So we're very pleased with that, hoping to have a very good turnout. Thank you, Mr. Ventura Garcia, for allowing us to use your facility over there. That's what we have at this time.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can I? So I want to say congratulate 2 of our members of the auditor's office or employees of the auditor's office. Vanessa Perez and Cindy Garcia received a 10-year award from our Healthy Boot Camp. They've been involved and they do all the healthy stuff here for the court. And so we want to congratulate them. Congratulations.
I just want to recognize what you said, and they're very skilled at their jobs. And with these programs, we're supposed to keep down our numbers for health issues, and that helps with overall money that we spend. But I'm very proud of them.
Okay. Congratulations to them. Anybody else? We'll move to agenda item number 4, and just for the court's information, Commissioner Chapa will not be in today. Agenda item number 4, discuss, consider, and take action to approve minutes from previous meeting. And I just had one question on the second page, the top, where it says Commissioner Precinct 4, which Gonzalez stated he finalized deal, all official, next next process is to build. So I'm not sure if we need to just put on the 2 acres, that way we can be a little bit more specific on what it said, yeah,
Finalize the deal.
on the 2 acres in Bembold.
So he's probably talking about the official process as far as the buying and all that.
Yeah. Yeah, just so we can be a little bit more specific of what we're talking about. Other than that, I see no issues.
So I make a motion that with the amendments, the correction, the minutes.
Second. I have a motion, that was second. Any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. That's on the JC, please. Agenda item number 5. Presentation of 2023 racial profiling statistics for Constable Albert Martinez is required by statute. This is just advising their annual racial profiling report that has to be submitted.
It doesn't require a discussion, just to present to Commissioners Court.
But we don't get a copy of it.
It's not in your book.
Provided a copy.
No, okay. I don't have any questions on it. I don't know if anybody else has any questions on it. Okay.
Thank you.
Presentation only. We'll go to agenda item number 6, presentation of 2023 racial profiling statistics for the Jim Wells County Sheriff's Office as required by statute.
As mandated, Judge and Commissioners, just to inform you that our racial profiling report was submitted January 26th by the captain and lieutenant, and all the information has been provided to you. You have any questions, the numbers are on there, and it was submitted to TCLIF. So you should have a copy of that. We have submitted it to the office for review. If you have any questions, please feel free.
I don't have any questions. Anybody else have any questions on it? Thank you, Sheriff. Agenda item number 7, discuss, consider, and take actions on allowing the sale of fireworks on Texas Independence Day, February 25th, 2024 to March 2nd, 2024. We don't have a burn ban. We don't have anything.
Just a city ordinance, like for the city of Orange Grove, no firecrackers, inside city of Alice and city of Fremont, they just gotta follow the city guidelines.
Okay.
But as far as the county, we're good.
Motion to approve.
Second.
I have a motion, that was second, and I guess the motion is gonna indicate that, we approve it for Jim Wells County, but, citizens would have to comply with city ordinances in whichever city they live in. So I have a motion, I have a second. Any further discussion? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Agenda item number 8. Discuss, consider, and take action to authorize entering into an intergovernmental cooperative agreement under Texas Government Code Chapter 791 with Zapata County for housing Jim Wells County inmates at the Zapata County Jail.
Yes, sir. We met with, over the phone with Sheriff Del Bosque in Zapata County, and they have a facility over there of 192 cells. So they were willing to work with us, and we have been sending some of our inmates because of our overpopulation that we have here in Jim Wells County. At one point, we had over 18 females, but we can only house 5. And that's been a big concern to the jail administrator as well as our administration here across the street. So we're housing them over there and making transports as our population gets higher on a weekly basis.
And just for the court's information, I know the sheriff's been working hard on this. And I know that our county attorney, Michael Guerra, and our district attorney, Carlos Omar Garcia, and the adult probation, Albert Ramirez, and myself, we were reviewing case by case to see if we can alleviate some of the tension over there. And I know they tried their best. I know that some of them were waiting on monitors, but also along with that monitor, they also had bonds that they have to reach also before we can do the monitor. So everybody's done their due diligence. Sheriff, I know we try to help you as much as we can, and I know we were able to alleviate some of it. But it's important that Commissioners Court understand that we tried our best to handle the situation in-house before we send them away and have to pay. So that being said, the agreement with Zapata County, we need to approve this because we do have inmates over there already.
I make a motion to.
Judge,
Yes.
I know the item isn't quite what we're talking about, but at one point, we're gonna have to put this item on the agenda to discuss the jail issues, because it's gotten outrageous, and we need the public know what's going on, why are we paying what we're paying, stuff like that. And whatever options we gotta do, it's gotta get up for discussion, so with that being said,
No
we
problem.
gotta do something about it. It's
No, I agree. No problem. I have a motion. Do I have a second?
Second.
I have a motion. I have a second. Any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Go ahead and put me an aye on that one too. Yeah. Agenda item number 9, discuss, consider enrolling Jim Wells County employees in the Texas DIR Certified Cybersecurity Awareness Training for 2023 and 2024.
Good morning, Judge, Commissioner. I just want to let you know that this is going to be a little different. I know the past 3 years, all the county employees have taken cybersecurity online, but this is going to be different because CAG had decided that they're no longer offering free training. So I had to make another alternative approach for this training. This time, I wanted to ask the Commissioner Court if we could take the cybersecurity training at the county fairground located in the Merchant Building. And it's gonna be on April 19th. And they're gonna be like 2 sessions, same class. One's gonna be at 1 p.m. and the other one's gonna be at 3 p.m. at the county fairground. And it's gonna be presented by the presenter's name, Robert Rangel from Hidalgo County IT Department. He is a certified information system security. He has a master's degree, and he had a great experience, knowledge with his cybersecurity and respond incident planning. And so he's going to be hosting that cybersecurity training on the screen over there. So I was asking we could do that on there. So that's what's going on right now.
Mr. Robert, Mr. Silva, is this the one that's mandatory, the annual mandatory, right?
Yes, correct. That's a mandatory training we have to take every year.
Okay, so if somebody cannot attend this, is there going to be a makeup or something that they can attend?
Yes, they can. Yeah, but it's really important that they cannot miss the job as the commissioner. What's the deadline you think we should be good to complete the cyber security training? So same like May 31st, the deadline,
Yes.
or you want to?
Right, that's the deadline we had.
Yeah,
Hey, Joe.
I was reading this stuff over here.
So last year, our deadline was May the 31st. that everybody had to have, because
It's
it has to
due.
be done by when?
August.
August?
August 31st, we had to submit by August 31st,
So
but
by
they have
May
to complete
31st,
day
we all
before.
have to be,
Yeah.
so this year, we just have to do the training and not a test, or a test is gonna be included with the training?
Well, you have to attend the training and in order to get a certificate.
So everybody has to attend a training, okay.
All right, and any stragglers you have from May 31st to August 31st to get them, or
Well, no, we
August
wanna do
1st.
it all by,
Yeah.
Yeah, well, commissioners, what are we gonna do if somebody's out that day, if they're sick or if they have area meeting, a regional meeting that they have to attend? When is the makeup day?
will you set up a makeup day?
The makeup day, I could like set up my day to attend another meeting. It could be either in the county courtroom or the
So
same
we don't
place.
know that date yet, right?
Yeah, I'll have to first make a reservation for them to get on the merchant building for another time. If they missed it, we could do it at the women's building, whatever.
Okay. All right, I guess, yeah, because you need to set those dates as soon as possible, and that way people would know.
Yes, sir. I will set an announcement to everybody.
Okay.
And remind them again.
Right, but go ahead and set up the makeup date so we can already know also.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Can I entertain a
I make a
motion?
motion to approve.
Second.
I have a motion, I have a second. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Agenda item number 10, discuss, consider, and take action to be closed countywide on Thursday, March 5th for the election day.
Good morning, Commissioners. I think that's Tuesday, March 5th. Just for the record, our office did not request this line item, and it did open up a possibility for me, though. A lot of these were set for every calendar of every year, like the primary and the general. But if we could leave it to the commissioners, once you know the election dates, to put this on, that would be great for our office as to whether you'd want the actual courthouse closed or not.
Okay. So we can open it up for discussion. I mean,
I think we need to be closed. There's
We're
a
always
lot
closed on
going on
election day,
around
right?
the courthouse.
We always close on election day.
Yeah. Countywide. I make a motion that we close on, countywide on Tuesday, March the 5th for election day.
Second.
I have a motion, I have a second. Any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Thank you, Mr. Guerra. Agenda item number 11, discuss, consider, and take actions on approving a resolution authorizing the county judge's office to apply for grant program for body worn cameras, grant program FY 2025. State funds are authorized under the Texas General Appropriations Act, Article 1, Rider 35, trustee programs within the Office of the Governor. This was actually one of the grants that we applied for that were due February 8th. It was one of 4 of them, and they all got submitted in time and got certified as they needed. This is just one for body cams. It's for the constables. We are looking to purchase 11 body cams for constables for all around Jim Wells County, all the precincts. This is the only one that does have a match. It's a 25% match. We would be getting if I'm not mistaken, $7,095 worth of equipment for I'll tell you right now, $1,773.75. So we're asking the Commissioners Court to approve the match. And we can get this from the
Contingent liability.
continued liability.
Okay.
Out of the
Motion,
judge's office.
make a motion to approve item, Mr. President, Judge, to be paid from,
Contingent liability.
continued liability.
I second the motion.
I have a motion, I have a second. Any further discussion needed?
I have one question too. You said 11, that's just Gonna be two per, is that for the reserves or what? Also?
Yes, reserves also. Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Mr. Martinez is on the forefront of this one, and we appreciate that. Trying to take care of not only his precinct, but all of them.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Commissioners.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez.
Thank you.
So I have a motion, I have a second. All in favor say aye.
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 All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Agenda item number 12, discuss, consider, and take action to approve invoice for Synaptic for the upgrade of the jail controls retrofit to be paid for by ARPA funds. So if the court could recall, we approved this for the sheriff a few months ago, and we have the invoice. Auditor's office and myself, we want to bring it to Commissioner's Court to see if it'd be possible to pay this through the ARPA funds, or the other one is contingent liabilities, correct?
I would suggest maybe we could do it through the ARPA funds, because that's what's said here.
Yeah,
That is what it's on the agenda.
Make a motion to approve through ARPA funds, just $109,668.75.
I'll second the motion.
109 and what?
109,668. 109,668.75.
75, okay. All right. I have a motion and a second. Is there any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Thank you. Agenda item number 13, discuss, consider, and take action to approve 2-year renewal of equipment storage lease with Lauro and Veronica Adams for the use by Precinct 4 Road and Bridge Department under the same terms and conditions of the 2022 lease.
This is the same one we bought 2 years ago. I believe it's $500. We lease for our yard. That's where we have all our equipment there in Green Acres.
I'll make a motion, we approve.
I'll second the motion.
I have a motion, I have a second. Is there any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Agenda item number 14, discuss, consider, and take action for Commissioner Huicho Gonzalez, Precinct 4, to enter a lease purchase agreement with Canada's Finance for a 2024 Mack GR64F dump truck, serial number 3595.
This is a second truck that we're gonna lease here. It's a dump truck. I believe it's $19,000 plus a year that we pay for it. And every year we get a new one delivered. They just exchange them. So it'll make it a lot easier for us to carry our rock to go seal coat roads. So it'll be our second truck. And I just need the paperwork signed as soon as possible, because when they deliver, they pick up the paperwork.
Make a motion to approve.
It's supposed to be delivered sometime this week.
I'll second. I have a motion and a second to approve agenda item number 14 as stated. Is there any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
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 All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. We'll have it signed. We'll have it after this.
Okay.
Agenda item number 15, certification of funds by county auditor to refund sundry proceeds to sheriff. Number 53, certification funds of sheriff forfeiture fund line item 53,560,577.00 motor vehicles.
February 12, 2024, Commissioners Court. Pursuant to Local Government Code 111.0108, I hereby certify that Jim Wells County has received $43,966.75 in the sheriff forfeiture fund, Fund 53, and it was deposited into the sheriff forfeiture refund sundries for expenditures. These forfeiture funds on Fund 53 are for expenditures to be incurred by the sheriff's forfeiture fund, and that such proceeds are available for the appropriate expenditures. This certification allows the addition of these funds to be added to the 2024 budget as an amendment. Since the expenditure will be funded and paid by the sheriff forfeiture fund, number 353, I hereby request the following budget amendments to the 2024 Jim Wells County budget. Sheriff forfeiture fund refund sundries 53,000,370.88, $43,966.75, and sheriff forfeiture motor vehicles 53,560,577.00, $43,966.75. If you have any questions or need additional information, please don't hesitate to call me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Noy. Can I entertain a motion?
Motion to approve item is presented, Judge.
I'll second the motion.
I have a motion and I have a second. Any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Agenda item number 16, discuss, consider, and take actions on payroll and bills as submitted by the county auditor, with the exception of Fund 52, 53, and 54.
Make a motion to approve.
Second.
I have a motion and I have a second. Is there any further discussion needed? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries.
I make a motion to adjourn.
Second.
I have a motion, I have a second to adjourn. Any further discussions? No further announcements, nothing? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Thank you, guys.
Thank you all.